Hi guys, and welcome back to NTT. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to be able to split screen on a Chromebook. So first of all, let's open two separate windows, Chrome, which I have up here, and the terminal. As you can see, I have two separate windows. In Chrome, if I want it on the right side, I'm going to do Alt, close bracket, which moves it to the right side, and for the terminal, Alt, left bracket. You could do this with any apps, and now if I open the terminal, I can type anything here while still being able to use Google at the same time. So it's a really good feature. That's all I have for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to like, hit the bell icon, and subscribe. If you like our channel and you're a big fan, check out the description below, and I just released merch a few days ago. So thanks for watching.